Hey, what is up guys? My name is Austin and welcome back to another shaving video. And you might be thinking, what is audio and video quality? Well, I just got a camera for my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday I did my birthday shave and I will show you guys. This is my camera, this is the screen. Anyways, this is the camera that I got. It is a video sky camera, really good camera. I really like it. You can see all the fog around my mirror. But anyways, this is where I'm going to be setting my camera. But today is the day, as you all might know, that I'm going to the pool with my friends. So I obviously want to shave. I'm going to spray some McGraw Southern Blend Cologne on me so my shirt doesn't smell musty, because last time that I did my laundry I forgot to put soap in the washer or something, but my clothes smell kind of musty. So for today's shave, it's just going to be a pretty normal shave except for one thing. I'm going to be telling you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using barbasol, right there, good old barbasol, my safety razor with the same sharp blade, and I just dropped my toothbrush, and a brush, and Old Spice Smooth Blast. This stuff, good mint. It's not really minty, but it's got a mint. Got a hint of mint in there. That's my slogan from now on. AK Shays has a hint of mint inside of him. I don't know. But I am not going to be doing a bowl lather like I did last time that I used barbasol with a brush. I'm going to be doing a face lather. I've never done a face lather on this channel before. I did do a face lather with barbasol and a brush before, but I don't remember how it was. So just going to splash some hot water in my face. Wait for it to get hot. Alright. Alright, dry off my hands. I was going to use my cartridge razor for today's shave, but why not use my safety razor? Wetting the brush. Even though this is a Badger brush, I don't usually let it soak. I've done it a couple times, but I don't really think it like enhanced my shave very much. Alright, so I don't even remember how I did this exactly. Forgot to shake up the barbasol. Just gonna kind of get it and mush it all around in the bristles. Kind of using my hand just to kind of spread it all around in the bristles. Okay. It might be too much, but you can never use too much barbasol. It's cheap, it's only $1.44, at least at my Walmart. More water, I have too much barbasol. Hey, when I do that, you can see all the little whiskers on my face. Can you see that? I added more water. There we go. A bit better. Oop, I have too much water, it's running down my arm. How dare you, barbasol. Again, it's not really enhancing my experience with barbasol except for thinning it out more. I might have too much water and too much barbasol at the same time, so to rinse off my arm. I have a lot of soap up here so I can see it out of the corner of my eye, and it's really odd. So I'm going to take it off. I'm not even sure why I have shaving cream that high, but I do. So. Alright. Hold on. Get my chin. Alright, that should be good. Alright. Let me know how you guys like the audio of this video. The microphone on this camera is not the best, in my opinion. It is good though. At the moment I'm doing a vlog for my second channel, or I guess my first channel. This is technically my second channel. But so far, just listening to the audio through my computer, it's not bad. Alright. Wet down the old razor. I think it's breaking down a little bit more. Yeah, yesterday I got a piece of my mustache. Wasn't noticeable. No. It's just barely. Just barely a little smidgen. Only have a day's growth. Last time I shaved was yesterday, obviously. You guys watched me. Hopefully. Yeah. Today at around 1, we're gonna go to the pool, see some friends that I haven't seen in a while. My normal hair that I have on my neck, and my mostly peach fuzz on my cheeks. Alright. Going to rinse off and put on some more barbasol. Whew. I'm only going to do 2 passes today, and only 2 passes on my cheeks, only 1 pass on my neck. I'm going to get towel and dry off my neck. Set that down on the floor. Alright. Hold on, let me get some of that barbasol up at the top. Squeeze it out. Get back onto the brush. It's happening. It's doing the thing that my old crema soap used to do, so what I'm going to do is rinse out the brush. My old crema soap, even though that it wasn't a brushless shaving cream, I was using it with a brush. I have soap in my arm. Alright, so just going to add a little bit more barbasol. Not much. Just kind of get it all down into the little bristles. Little badger bristles. Alright. There we go, that's better. A little bit drier. Probably not going to be as slick this second time around. But, you know what? For the second pass, I'm going to do it with the cartridge razor. See how it feels when I do this? Kind of use of barbasol. This is very weird. I'm very weird with barbasol. I'm not using it the way it's intended. I was getting so many people telling me like, don't use cartridge razors, they're bad, and I'm just sorry, like, they're fine for me. So, they're fine for you, use it. Especially in the shaving world. Don't let people tell you what you can and can't do, especially in the shaving world, shaving communities and all that. I do have a video idea. I'm doing an entire shave with the trimmer on the back of the head. Not sure how that's going to play out, but I will try it. See what I have left. There we go. Very good. Very nice. Alright. Alright. Gotta know when to stop. Alright, rinse off in cold water. Alright, where's my towel? I actually have my swimming suit on right now, underneath the screen. I just have so much barbasol in my ear. Hold on. Dave, cotton swabs right here. Q-tips. Get all the barbasol out of my ear. In this ear. Okay. Alright. Hopefully this video works out. Ooh. And it doesn't totally flop like it normally does when I try to use a camera for anything. Alright. Old Spice Smooth Blast. You can get it for $50 on eBay. That's not much, right? I really wish they still made this stuff. Wow. No burn. Very little burn. But that hit of just Old Spice hits you. Hits you like a truck. Boy. Alright. Not a bad shave. That shave was done. So first video with this new camera. Right now, the kind of like white balance is like kind of like a, I'm looking at the screen right here, it's like very orange in here, so I think I'll have to go into video editing and change the white balance of the video so that doesn't look so orange in here. But anyways, that shave is done. Hopefully this video turns out well and it's not too hard to edit and upload and all that stuff. It shouldn't be, because I've uploaded things from cameras before, but my DSLR camera, I think for one it'd be too big, and for two I don't have any batteries for it. But anyways, not a bad shave. I feel like the next, I don't feel like it, but the next shave that I do, I think I'm going to do a review of those Vanderhagen blades. Last time that I used them was when I was first starting out shaving, so yeah, good shave. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did like it and you want to see more videos like this with the new camera, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, because it really helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!